Designing a product for today's world of industrial automation requires seamless connectivity and robust security. They aren't just important, they are essential. Enter GRID45, the ultimate multi-protocol solution designed to simplify and secure your industrial networking needs. Let's face it, keeping up with the complexities of industrial automation. Communication protocol standards can be complex, which is why you need a solution that keeps up with the standards so you don't have to. GRID45 is flexible and future-proof to ensure security and conformance over the life of the product. With one module, GRID45 makes it easy to add a wide range of industrial automation protocols to your product. With support for an extensive range of protocols, including Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP, BACnet IP, and PROFINET, there's a version of GRID45 that's right for you. Because every application is unique, GRID45 has been designed to allow for easy customization. Need to map product data to specific network protocols or send critical information to the cloud? No problem. Our team can quickly create customized data mapping to fit your needs. Whether your network setup requires wired Ethernet or wireless communication, GRID45 has you covered. It's even possible to use both at the same time. Imagine a situation where the Ethernet connection is running a factory automation protocol such as Ethernet IP, and your Wi-Fi connection is sending key data from your device to a cloud using MQTT. Enjoy greater flexibility and scalability, especially in environments where running cables is impractical or costly. But it's not just about connectivity. Wi-Fi adds a new dimension to remote monitoring, diagnostics, and management. Imagine being able to monitor usage data, perform firmware updates, and troubleshoot issues, all remotely, from anywhere in the world. With GRID45, security is not an afterthought. It's built into every aspect of the product. Protect your data, your operations, and your peace of mind. GRID45 comes equipped with top-tier security features, including Secure Boot to ensure only authorized code runs on your device. An integrated 6088 crypto chip offers robust hardware-level security to protect against tampering and data breaches. And with WPA and TLS 1.2, your wireless communications are safeguarded against cyber threats, making GRID45 one of the most secure solutions on the market today. Transform your industrial networking setup with GRID45, the solution that adapts to you.